Tham Yai Waterfall is a beautiful waterfall located in Phu Kradung National Park in Loei Province. It is a relatively high waterfall of Phu Kradung in the midst of the rainforest. Although the waterfall is not very large, but the water that flows down and hits the rocks below has a loud sound that reverberates throughout the forest. For nature lovers likes to watch birds and trees in the forest, you must definitely like it here. Because along the way to the waterfall it is surrounded by evergreen forests with various kinds of plants. Tham Yai Waterfall is a waterfall located in Phu Kradung National Park. It is one of the famous waterfalls in Loei Province, and also a popular landmark of those conquering Phu Kradung. Everyone travels to take pictures and see the beauty of the waterfall hidden in the middle of the rainforest. But the beauty of Tham Yai Waterfall is not over yet. Because some of the walking routes nearby with a small creek, there will be maple trees periodically as well. If anyone who has come in early January will be able to see this route full of beautiful red maple leaves that have fallen all over the forest floor.